Welcome to middle school, fresh meat. Any questions before we start? Stop laughing! There's no laughing in this school.
Mr. Stein-Donkey, this isn't culinary cheesecake class?
Oh, for the love of... It's the classroom to your right!
Well, I guess my question's been answered. Goodbye, everybody.
Anybody else got something to say? Any other questions before we start? What's that Max beating up Carl? I'm sorry! I'm playing! Hey! No! No throwing favors!
Any more questions? I have a
Question. What is it, dog? Are you our teacher?
No, I'm not your teacher. He'll be here shortly.